Good morning, friends. Good morning, sir. Our new startup is EcoFit, which will follow the business sustainability movements in sportswear company. Introduction. EcoFit. Introduction. Talking about our company, EcoFit is a new 2023 startup going to be started by the sports enthusiast, which who wanted to create and innovate affordable sportswear for the Indian market. EcoFit will offer a range of products for various sports and fitness activities using eco-friendly materials and possesses that reduce the environmental impact for the production of consumption of sportswear. EcoFit aims to provide high quality products that enhances the performance and comfort of consumers, which also promote a healthy and active lifestyle. EcoFit is also committed to sustainably follow the UN's guidelines and aim to achieve the sustainable development goals. In this presentation, we will talk about how we are going to cover the aspects such as recycling, waste minimization, green economy, triple bottom line, life cycle assessment, and circular economy. We will also provide this data to support how we are taking the initiative to show how this company can benefit our business and the environment. EcoFit is not just a sportswear startup, but a movement towards a healthier and more sustainable future. With a team of dedicated sports enthusiasts and commitment to using eco-friendly materials and processes, EcoFit is paving the way for a new generation of sportswear brands. Now, next slide will be said by Vardhan, that is the mission, vision and objective.
Good morning everyone, my name is Vardhan and I will be talking about vision, mission, objective, pioneering a sustainable future in sportswear. So the vision is, EcoFit vision is to be a sustainable company that uses its expertise in sports and technology to contribute to a healthy and prosperous society while also protecting the environment for future generations. Similarly, the EcoFit mission is to provide innovative and high quality sports products and services that promote a healthy and active lifestyle while also contributing to a sustainable society. The objective of EcoFit includes reducing its environmental impact through sustainable manufacturing, processing materials, sourcing and product design. EcoFit objective include reducing its social responsibility and initiative.
So products, EcoFit will specialize in producing sustainable and eco-friendly products. They will offer a wide range of slippers, jacket, accessories, tracksuits, t-shirts and bottoms, which all are made up of sustainable materials such as organic cotton, recycled polyester and natural rubber.
EcoFit is committed to manufacturing technology advanced sportswear using sustainable materials. The brand strives to offer eco-conscious consumers affordable price points while maintaining the highest standards of quality and performance. EcoFit uses the latest technology in software such as TriTech, anti-odor, anti-static, anti-UV and Light X to provide superior performance and comfort to its customers. The products are designed with the Indian lifestyle and weather conditions in mind. The brand understands the need of its customers and offers a range of products for running, training, yoga, football and many more. EcoFit believes its sustainability and is committed to enhancing the performance, affordability and eco-friendliness of the sportswear. We use plastic which is then converted into thread and then it is converted into a product.
Good morning everyone. Today I will be talking about business sustainability movements. So the first movement is recycling. In this, the department can conduct research to identify recyclable materials that can be used in the production of sportswear. Second is waste minimization. Waste minimization department can work towards minimizing waste generated during the production processes. The third is cleaner production. The research development department can explore the use of environmentally friendly technologies and production techniques that minimize pollution. Fourth one is zero emission. The department can explore the use of energy sources such as solar and wind power to power the production facilities. Fifth one is green economy. In green economy, the department can work towards developing the technologies and innovative product that promotes the growth of green economy. Next one is the triple bottom line. In triple bottom line, the department can work towards developing new products and services that are economically viable, socially responsible, and environmentally sustainable. Seventh is life cycle assessment environment. In life cycle assessment environment, the department can conduct the life cycle assessment of their product to identify the opportunities. The next one is sustainable consumption. Sustainable consumption, EcoFits promotes that sustainable consumption practices by creating durable and eco-friendly sportswear that last longer. Next is corporate social responsibility (CSR), in which the company has a strong CSR policies that focuses on improving social and environmental well-being of its stakeholder. Next is blue and circular economy, in which EcoFit Sports aims to create circular economy where resources are used efficiently and waste is minimized. So also the company uses recycled materials like polyester, nylon and cotton to make its sportswear. So overall, all the research and development department can play a critical role in developing and implementing sustainable business practices. So these are the heads and teams of executives of the organization.
So my department is production and manufacturing. In this, the first one is segregating waste materials. So in this department, we can ensure that the waste materials such as fabrics, scraps, packaging and plastic wastes are properly segregated and sent for recycling. They can also be used recycled materials in the production process such as recycled polyesters, which reduces the amount of waste generated. Waste minimization, that is using the recycled materials and optimizing the material cutting processes to reduce the waste. So in this, the production process will be carried on by optimizing materials such as cutting processes, reducing the use of single-use plastic and minimizing the excess of inventory. Then the cleaner process. In the cleaner process, the production manufacturing department can adopt technologies that reduces the use of harmful and toxic chemicals in the production process, such as natural dyes and water-based printing inks. This can also ensure that the production process are optimized for maximum efficiency and minimal waste generation. The second department will be the marketing, which is said by Vardhan.
So the marketing department promotes recycling initiatives and use of recycling materials as in advertising. Recycling, the marketing department can promote the company's recycling initiative through their advertising and promotional materials. They can highlight the use of recycled material in their product and packaging and educate consumers on the importance of recycling. The next point is waste minimization. Waste minimization, the market department can promote the company's waste minimization efforts by highlighting the reduction of waste in their operations and encouraging consumers to reduce their waste by choosing sustainable products. The next is cleaner production. The marketing department can educate consumers on the company's effort to reduce pollution and emissions in their production process through their advertising and promotional materials. Another is zero emission. The marketing department can promote the company's zero emission initiative by highlighting the use of renewable energy in their production processes and encouraging consumers to reduce their carbon footprint. Followed by zero growth, the marketing department can educate consumers on the importance of sustainable growth and company's commitment to sustainable business. And the green economy is also a factor. The marketing department can promote the company's effort to support the partnership with sustainable business and organization. The triple bottom line is the last one. Triple bottom line, the marketing department can communicate the company's commitment to the triple bottom line, approaching through their advertising and promotional materials, emphasizing the importance of social and environment responsibility in addition to finance performance.
Human resources plays a crucial role in implementing sustainability initiative. First one is recycling. HR can create awareness about recycling and encourage employees to reduce waste by providing training and resources on how recycling properly. Second one is waste minimization. HR can develop program to reduce waste and encourage employees to use resources efficiently. Third one is cleaner production. HR can work with the production team to identify and implement cleaner production techniques to reduce environmental impact and increase efficiency. Next one is zero emission. HR can work with the production and supply chain team to develop strategies to reduce emission from manufacturing and transportation. Last one is green economy. HR can promote sustainable practices throughout the company and encourage employees to adopt a green mindset.
I'll be handling the finance department. We will be starting small by setting up bins for collecting recyclable materials such as paper, cardboard, plastics, and gradually expand the program to cover other materials like textiles. The budget approximately will be 5 to 10 lakhs. Second will be the waste minimization can be achieved by identifying and reducing the amount of waste generated in the production process. EcoFit would conduct a waste audit to identify areas of waste and then implement measures to reduce it. The budget will be approx 20 to 30 lakhs. Third will be the cleaner production. For cleaner production, it involves using process to minimizing waste and pollution. EcoFit will invest more efficiently in machinery, upgrade the production, and this will lead to 50 to 60 lakhs. Lastly will be the zero emission. Achieving zero emission would be a long-term goal for EcoFit. This could be achieved through a combination of measures such as reducing the use of fossil fuels, investing in renewable energy, and implementing pollution-preventing measures. The budget will be approx 1 crore. Zero growth perpetuity. This would involve in the shift in the economic business model to focus on sustainability rather than growth. The budget will be approx to prioritize the resource efficiency. Green economy involves creating growth while reducing carbon emissions and protecting the environment. The budget will be approx 50 lakhs. Triple bottom line could also be used for finance that involves considering the social, environmental, financial impacts of the company's activities.
So I will be handling the research and development department. So the department can research and identify recyclable materials for production. They can develop techniques to minimize waste and use eco-friendly materials. And the department can explore sustainable technologies and production techniques for cleaner production. They can also research and implement the use of renewable energy sources. The department can work towards the sustainable growth strategies.
Operations and supply chain department at EcoFit Sportswear can contribute to the above mentioned sustainability movements, recycling. The operations and the supply chains department can focus on setting up and managing a recycling program from the material used in the production. This could include using recycled polyester or other eco-friendly materials in the manufacturing process. Waste minimization. To minimize waste, the operations and the supply chain department can work to optimize production process, reducing the amount of the raw materials used and minimize scrap and waste generated during production. Cleaner production. Cleaner production involves reducing the environmental impact of the production process through the uses of cleaner technologies and the practices.
So, international business. So, as an international business department, the focus will be on ensuring that the sustainability practices and initiatives of sportswear are aligned with the regulation and standards of the countries they operate in. The department will also collaborate with the suppliers and manufacturers to ensure that they follow sustainable production practices and implement eco-friendly technologies. This will involve conducting audits of the suppliers to ensure that they comply with the sustainability policy and standards of the company. Overall, the international business department will play a key role in ensuring that the sportswear sustainability initiatives are aligned with the global standards and regulation and in promoting sustainable practices throughout the international supply chain.
Here are some potential actions that the business analytics department could take to support the company's sustainability efforts. It's conduct data analysis on waste and resource usage across supply chain. Second, develop predict models to forecast consumer demand and optimize production planning. It can track and record on key sustainability metrics over time, such as carbon emission and water usage. Overall, the business analytics department can play a critical role in supporting EcoFit software efforts by providing data-driven insight to inform decision-making and measure progress towards environmental and social goals.
In conclusion, EcoFit Sportswear has taken significant steps towards incorporating sustainable practices into their business operations. The company has implemented various initiatives including sustainable sourcing practices, eco-friendly logistics, transportation methods, and promoting circular business models, among others. Thank you.